Hi, I'm Chris Spiegel, and today I want to talk about RescueTime. Do you know the feeling? You sit on your computer late in the evening and you don't really know where the time went and you're not done yet? Well, the tool RescueTime is just the tool for you. It will show you where you spend your time, which websites you used a lot, which programs you used, and that with zero or almost zero maintenance and setup. The thing is as follows, and let me show you the website first. RescueTime basically is a tool that is installed on your computer, and you can use it while working normally. And it just reports back the usage of applications to the server, which then gives you statistics on how you did that day or over the last couple days and weeks and months. So the thing for me personally is I don't really use it full time. What I do with RescueTime is I use it every now and then for maybe a month or 2 weeks at a time, just to basically know where I spend all my time and which programs I use a lot, which websites. And then based on that information, I can change my habits, I can change the way I use my computer. And maybe I notice things better, and I notice better when I spend a lot of time on YouTube and I spend a lot of time in Messenger apps, and maybe I close those more often instead of keeping them open, getting distracted, and then I have more time to work on productive things. And that is exactly why I love RescueTime. Those functionalities are provided for free, and you can have that all without paying a dime. So I can show you my interface, which over the last couple of weeks, for example, I have this week here. It's not the current week, it was a week in February, but it has more interesting information. As you see in the design and composition area down to the left, it's the main programs I used were After Effects, Premiere Pro, and Lightroom, which basically means I did a lot of photo and video editing. I also used entertainment, VLC, and YouTube, and then I have utilities, Finder, and stuff like that. But the more interesting part is up here, and also the color coding is blue for productive stuff and red for totally unproductive stuff. So I spent about 13 hours in that week with the work in design and composition, so photos and video. Of course, RescueTime cannot really give you the full picture of your whole workday because it only can track as much as you do on your computer, because time spent on your phone or time spent offline meeting people outside or working on paper and writing stuff down, that it cannot track. So oftentimes the hours you worked are not as high as you may guess, because you are not working on your computer 24/7 or 40, 50 or 60 hours a week, but you might work that in total. So I think RescueTime is a great tool to give you an overview, and very easy overview of how much time you spend and where you spend it. The thing is, you basically only register, then you get to the main dashboard, and the main dashboard looks something like that. Of course, when you register new, there will be no data whatsoever, and then you can download RescueTime. And in the sign-up process, they might as well point you directly there, give you the link to download directly. I installed the RescueTime for Mac. The setup is super simple. Just download it, open the file, move the app into your applications folder, open it once, and then you basically sign up with entering your email and clicking a button. That's it, and then it automatically starts on login and it tracks your usage, and you can tell it in the reports and dashboard which applications to track as productive, which as non-productive, but they already do that. They automatically put those into those categories, and then you can change that. For example, if for you Facebook is something productive because you manage advertisement on Facebook or something like that, then you can change that to the productive category. I personally just left it as is, because most of the time, if I have, for example, Facebook, yes, I manage advertisement on there, but if I'm using it for advertising management, most of the time it's not hours that I spend there, so it's the lesser part that is getting productive time, and so in general, Facebook is still something unproductive for me. So overall, I can absolutely recommend that tool, RescueTime. It is linked in the description below. I have put an affiliate code there. If you don't like that, just go to rescuetime.com. the code doesn't really change much for you. So please check it out. Let me know what you think. Maybe you try it for a couple weeks or maybe a couple months and see where you spend your time. Let me know in the comments down below if this was helpful for you. Follow me on my Instagram and not Snapchat. Snapchat I don't really use, but I'm at Spiegel.io everywhere. And also, please check out other videos I made and let me know what you think of those. So see you in the next video and have a nice day. Bye.